Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Have a great run!
All right, third race, Emerald Day Half Marathon. In order to get to the start, we have to take a bus. So we're in a big yellow school bus, transiting out there. And this race starts later, 10:30. But because of the bus, I have to leave pretty early. It's 7:48 right now. Last bus is 8:15, so I didn't want to risk that. Today, my nutrition strategy is a little different. Still a lot of carbs, but I'm going to do all tailwind, no gels. I put 200 grams of carbs, and so it's 8 scoops of tailwind and 1 liter. I haven't even tasted it yet, so I don't know what it's going to taste like. But I think tailwind's pretty mild. And then I have my flask as well with just plain water. So we'll see how it goes.
Great job! Woo! Great job! Keep it going! Woohoo! Still has a smile on his face. Great job! Woo! So now we are headed towards the finish. We got Jerry his mango dragon fruit tea, and he'll have his chocolate chip pumpkin bread as soon as he gets into the car. I didn't bring it down with me. I didn't want to smash it, but headed down to the finish to see the culmination of the weekend of running. Here we go. So we couldn't see him, but we heard that he just crossed. There he is.
Oh, thank you.